Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed with number 35, shall we? Which states, Austin, Texas has a statue of Stevie Ray Vaughan that is 12 feet tall. It casts an 8-foot shadow. Doug stops to admire the statue. Doug's shadow is 3.5 or 3.5 feet. How tall is Doug? Obviously, this is a ratio proportion type of problem. So already I set up for you the fraction or the proportion of the measurement, which is 12 feet tall as the numerator, and casting an 8-foot shadow, which is the denominator. Obviously, we have to keep the numerators alike. So if the statue is 12 feet tall, the question asks, how tall is Doug? We do not know that. But Doug's shadow casts 3.5-foot shadow. How do we begin simplifying it? Well, we have to cross multiply, which I call the butterfly effect. So 12 times 3.5 is 42. And obviously, 8 times x is 8x. How do we solve for x? 8 and x are connected to each other by multiplication, opposite of or the inverse of multiplication, division. Divide both sides by 8. For us to cancel 8, we'll end up with x. That's what we're solving for. 42 divided by 8 is 5 2/8 as a mixed fraction. Now, how do we simplify the fraction? 5 2/8, we bring down to 5. We can simplify 2/8. How many times does 2 go into itself? Once. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4 times. So it's 5 1/4 or 5 1/4 feet. So how tall is Doug? He is 5 1/4 feet, or the other way of writing it in decimal form is 5.25 feet. Because you convert 1/4 into a decimal, which is 0.25. So your final answer can be written either or. 5 1/4 feet. That is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.